Sorry. I'm sorry. I sing. Okay. Look at that. See that? It's almost. Let me see. I'll get some fork if the meat is really tender now. If it's tender, then this is good now. Let me see. Let me checks. Let me checks. Oh yeah. A little bit more. Maybe 10 minutes. Yeah, look at that. See that? This is perfect. Almost perfect. But I have to wait a little bit longer because the meat's not the perfect that I want to be tender. It's not perfect tender enough for me. I want it's like melting in my mouth. Yeah? Look at that. It's perfect. It's perfect. I need to set aside some for my son for his dinner. And I'm gonna put some eggs. I'll show you. I'm gonna put some eggs. I'm excited. Because it's been a while. I think it's 2 months ago since I ate this food. This adobo. And here's the egg. I'm gonna put some adobo egg. We need to peel this egg. Okay. I'm done with the egg, peeling the egg. And then I'll just get some for my son. I need to get some for him so he don't get allergy with the eggs. Okay. Look at that. It's so yummy. He don't want nothing to do with that. I'll just get him this. Yep. Those small ones. So it's gonna be tender. It's gonna be tender. Tender. Okay. Let me get him another one. That's enough. See that? See that I'm saying it's like oil now. Okay, and we're gonna put our egg, boiled egg.